Hello everyone, welcome back. And the next topic, standardized times with the HTML5 date time attribute. Continuing with the date theme, HTML5 also introduced the time element along with the date time attribute to standardize times. This is an inline element that can wrap a date or time on a page. A valid format of that date is held by datetime attribute. This is the value accessed by assistive devices. It helps avoid confusion by stating a standardized version of time, even if it's written in an informal or colloquial manner in the text. Here is an example. Master Camper Cat officially officiated the cage match between Goro and a Scorpion, and in that time, date time equal to whatever the date is, last Wednesday, and then time closed, which ended in draw. So the task Camper's Cat Mortal Kombat survey results are in. Wrap a time tag around the text Thursday, September 15th and add a date time attribute to set it to 15/9/2016. Okay. So first we have to find Thursday. Wrap a time tag around the text Thursday. Okay, here. So from here, starting from here, time closed, and afterward date time equal to mm, let me check and add a date time attribute. Add a date time attribute with the value of 2016 09/15, and after SUP it will be closed time. So Thursday September 15th. In place of that, we have written this time inside time tag. We have used time tag to wrap around that. So the test cases, your code should have a p element which includes the text. Thank you everyone for responding to Master Cat per Cat survey and include a time element. It's including a time element. Your added time tags should wrap around the text Thursday, starting from here to super in tag of super, that is SUP. Your added time tag should have a date time attribute that is not empty here, not empty. Your added date time attribute should be set to a value of 2016 9/15. Okay, then run the tests and successful. Download my solution. And thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.